about China?
一起应对国际金融危机。
And the rest of the world. People throughout the world want to hear one of our biggest challenges. We also have the latest from the entertainment world.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the 82nd
And not to forget sports.
Look, you said it again. On the drive, done it
CRI's correspondents also bring you analysis and a unique perspective.
From Pasadena, California, London,
Ethiopia,
Reykjavik,
Union reporters in New York, Nairobi,
Tel Aviv, Washington.
Night with the Beijing Hour coming to you twice a day, every weekday. Visit CRIBeyondBeijing.com and access our archive, the Beijing Hour. Let's take a look at the world together.
CRI's programs can now be heard in dozens of countries around the world on local AM and FM stations. There's a full list of frequencies and cities on our website. To see if CRI broadcasts in your area, please visit CRIBeyondBeijing.com.
We at CRI are always pleased to read your messages. If you have anything to say, just pick up your pen. Here is our address. English service, China Radio International, Beijing, China. The postal code is 100040. If you have internet access, you can email us at crieng@cri.com.cn. Once again, that's crieng@cri.com.cn. Whoever writes in, we will respond.
要学汉语
I want to learn Chinese.
其实并不难 It can be fun.
欢乐汉语 Chinese Studio.
The label is affixed by the evil one himself, and it's done in the face of all of heaven because he wants credit for what it is he's doing.
I've got about 2 minutes remaining, and we'll have you back in the future so we can continue this conversation.
Anything that this world can dish out. Yeah, I agree with you. You know, it's going to be a surprise.
Phone number to call is 1-800-338-3030. That's 1-800-338-3030.
Y es todo por hoy. Coordinados en onda corta. Merci Ávila los invita a continuar en sintonía con Radio Habana, Cuba.
El 26 de julio de 1953 resultó la continuidad de la guerra necesaria concedida por el apóstol de Cuba, José Martí. En medio de la oscuridad que trajo consigo la tiranía de Fulgencio Batista, instaurada en Cuba a través de un golpe de Estado el 10 de marzo de 1952, las ideas numerosas de Fidel Castro Ruz encontraron un momento significativo cuando un grupo de jóvenes revolucionarios tomaron por asalto los cuarteles militares en Santiago de Cuba y Carlos Manuel de Céspedes en Bayamo. El Moncada fue el motor pequeño que impulsó el motor grande de la revolución triunfante el 1 de enero de 1959. Los héroes caídos ese día viven eternamente en el corazón del pueblo cubano. ¿De qué sirven las guerras y la explotación?
Fort Love 不喜欢 Fort Love
Well, you're very smart.
谢谢
of the day is, did we hit upon any of your hobbies on today's show? And if we did, please tell us what your hobby is in either Chinese characters. Với màn hình ảnh ứng và các yếu tố có được khách nước ngoài qua lại lớn, ông Michael
Católica Mundial.
Come and listen to me.